Hi, we're going to start off with this next video to go through some issues with the Turbo Native version of the setup. So, looking at our main app, a lot of this stuff is working. If I go in, let's actually start the server. That will be helpful, especially if you do it from the right directory. All right, and let's just make this bigger. And I'll hop over here and let's try reloading. And it's being weird because it wasn't hooked up to the server right. So let's just restart the application. I want to have the Rails console over here on the side so we can see that every single time we load a page, it dumps out a bunch of stuff about what's going on. So if I go to the admin page, you go in here, for example, to edit and get really excited that we're doing this from mobile and update it. We can see that we are doing a get for looking at that post. We can see the update that went through. So those things are showing up. I've got a second monitor or a second screen up here, which is why some other things might be showing up. Okay, so that's working. If I go to the admin and I click on destroy though, I get nothing. So this is happening because we don't by default. So actually, this if we look at the link itself, the if we inspect it over here on the browser, we can see that we have a data confirm, and that's using the built-in Rails tools to pop up well, see if I hit destroy, are you sure? So that is being swallowed, and we're actually not taking any action on it. So we're going to need to update our iOS app to take advantage of that. So in here with the session, when I create it, if I go into the session.webview.ui delegate, we can set that equal to self, and it's going to now yell at us. So we're going to want to import WebKit. If we build this, it's going to say we don't conform to that delegate. So in our app coordinator, we want to conform to the UI delegate, and in here we need to do a func for the web view, run confirmation panel. So in here we can actually now, if I go print in confirmation and build this. I'm actually not running that completion handler, so it's probably going to, it potentially is going to cause some issues. Yeah, but yeah, it's not liking that I didn't call it. But we can see that we are getting this in confirmation, so that's working. So let's actually take care of this. So we can go let's do an alert controller. And the message here is going to be the same as the message that we bring in. And our alert controller, we're going to add an action. And this is going to say delete. And this is going to be destructive. And we actually don't care about the action coming in here because it's always, we're just going to accept it. So we're going to do our completion handler, and we're going to say true. We're going to go ahead with that. And we're going to do the exact same thing again. But in here, instead of deleting, we're going to cancel. And this is going to be the default style, and we're going to say false. So this is going to handle, if we hit delete, we're going to say yes on the alert. If we hit cancel, we're going to cancel it. And then I want to go into the navigation controller that we have, and we want to present the alert controller true. All right, let's run this again and see what happens. And bring up terminal. All right. So if I go to the admin, I hit destroy, we are now getting the alert. If we cancel, nothing happens. And if I delete, then we're posting that delete and redirecting back. All right, so at this point, we can show, edit, and delete the posts. We can view them on the main page. So that, that takes care of this next step of getting kind of the basic workflow working properly in the Turbo Native and on the website.